Follett Software are a pretty large education technology company. We specialize in library management systems, student information systems, and facilities and technology management systems for K-12 districts. From an adoption perspective, our users are quite traditional. So if you can think of librarians, they're used to, being very tactile, very much in the building kind of focused, not even using software in the first place as, inventory management or catalog management. So trying to persuade our potential new, let's say AI user customers to use prompting, to use large language model kind of inference to discover their inventory, their catalog, to manage operations, that's quite a challenge. We were trying to figure out how we used our data, our internal company, our Follett data. How could we start using that as fuel for a large language model to allow a customer to have a conversation with our product as such? And then we got in touch with Tribe. There was an introduction through Francisco Partners, and there was a conversation then about, we can help you because we've done this kind of stuff before, which of course you guys had. We worked with Walt primarily and the team on how do we take data from our databases, from our data warehouse, and how do we allow the large language model almost to create queries against that data. So how do we provide a schema to an LLM? How do we normalize the data? How do we teach a large language model to understand all the idiosyncrasies of our data and how it's structured and how it's stored? Tribe walked us through how to start that off. And it was kind of like an aha moment for our team, whereby we said, this is how we find the edge of the Scotch tape, right, and how we then start to pull and how we start to kind of jump from there. You clearly have people in your company who are experts. I feel from talking to some of your engineers that you did and you do, certainly you get it. And I think that was certainly very attractive to us when we were trying to feel around in the dark as to how to even start building some of this stuff. The product that we worked on with Tribe was our library management system. We also have a resource management system. So we're going to be looking to do the same type of customer interaction AI with that product. And then we're going to move on to our student information system, see where AI fits in there, and then, go on and build, hopefully, some value add to those products. So if you're thinking about working with Tribe, I would say make contact, have a conversation. You'll quickly realize that these guys understand what they're talking about. With a myriad of solutions out there, a myriad of LLM and AI and machine learning capabilities, it is very, very hard to figure out what the best approach is. Tribe will help guide you. They've been there, they've done it, they understand what other companies are doing. They've had experience here, and experience here is not something that is readily available. I mean, there's very few companies that understand how to build solutions for companies that are looking to utilize AI. So as a recommendation, I would say reach out to Tribe, give them a call and listen to what they have to say.